Hi everyone, come cook with me. Banana porridge. Banana porridge. So first I will put a pot of water on the stove with some salt and some cinnamon leaves. I will grate some nutmeg. This is what the nutmeg looks like. So I'll grate some and add it to my porridge. It gives it a nice flavor. After which I will stir to combine all the ingredients. And guys, this is what the turned banana looks like. The half-ripe banana that I used. After which I turn down the stove. Make sure your heat is on medium or low because when the porridge starts to boil and pop, it will burn you and nothing burns hotter than porridge. So do that and continue to stir because you don't want it to stick to the pot bottom. Worse if it's not a non-stick pot, so you stir. Continue to stir. No, the porridge is almost cooked, so I add my vanilla. Add your vanilla and combine by stirring. After adding your vanilla, also add your sugar and combine it. Add your milk also and combine it. Allow it to cook for 1 or 2 more minutes. Once your porridge has the consistency that you're looking for and your banana is cooked, your porridge is ready.